How to shorten the critical path. In construction projects, it is often necessary to shorten the project timeline, either to meet a deadline or to recover from delays. Two common techniques for shortening the critical path are crashing and fast tracking. Crashing. Crashing is a technique used to reduce the duration of critical tasks by adding additional resources such as labor or equipment at an extra cost. It focuses on accelerating task completion by increasing resource allocation. Project managers evaluate the critical tasks and determine whether adding more resources, for example workers or machines, can shorten task durations. However, crashing typically results in increased project costs. For example, if framing is on the critical path and is scheduled to take 8 days, adding more carpenters to the task might reduce the duration to 6 days, shortening the critical path by 2 days. This, however, might increase labor costs. Considerations. Crashing should only be used when time is more critical than cost. Overcrashing can result in diminishing returns or even delay due to overcrowding at the work site. Fast tracking. Fast tracking is a technique that involves performing tasks concurrently that would typically be done in sequence. This reduces the project timeline without adding extra resources, but increases the risk of rework or coordination issues. How it works. Fast tracking looks for tasks that can be performed in parallel, even if they typically depend on one another. It is effective when tasks don't have strict dependencies. For example, instead of waiting for framing to finish before starting electrical installation, fast tracking allows electrical installation to start while framing is still ongoing in other sections of the building. This saves time but requires careful coordination to avoid conflicts. Consideration. Fast tracking may increase risks such as quality issues or rework because the succeeding task starts before the preceding task is fully completed. It requires good communication and coordination among teams. Critical path analysis is a powerful tool for ensuring that construction projects stay on track. By identifying the critical path, understanding flows, and using techniques like crashing and fast tracking, project managers can ensure timely project completion even in the face of delays or compressed schedules.